Hi everyone, today we are going to see how we can enable the developer tab in Microsoft Excel. So if you observe, when I open the Microsoft Excel, by default I don't have the developer tab here. So it will just like other menus, we can find it here. So to enable the developer tab, what we need to do, first go to the file, click on options. In the customize ribbons, you will find the developer option. If you click on, just tick that one and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will find the developer tab here. So let's see what are the options we can see in developer option. So developer tab is mainly we use for the macros and VBA. So the first one is Visual Basics. If you click on this one, it will open the Visual Basic window where you can write the macros, where you can edit the macros and write VBA code. And if you see, there is one more option, that is macros. So if you click on this one, it will direct us to already created macros. And there is one more option. This is the most important thing, that is record a macro. Whenever if you want to record any macro, you just click on this one and give a name to a macro and click on OK. Then that will capture the all action what we are doing in Excel in the form of VBA code. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.